Okay, short update of how to 3D print a case for mechanical keyboard. And today I want to show you how to do a super mod for ACE68HE. And guys, funny to say, but actually ACE68HE is absolutely the same from the layout point of view as ACE68HE. So I showed you last time, this is a 3D printed case for ACE68HE, right? And this one is PCB sandwich for ACE68HE. I've printed a new version of the case for this keyboard, right? And what is new, I've added these legs. Now you can insert them, and it will be two options, 5mm and 8mm for different angle, 5 and 7 degree. So you can easily insert them into the case if you want. If you don't want, you can remove them. Super easy. And one more, if you don't want to have these holes on the backside of your keyboard, you can just remove this piece of ice, right? ACE68 with a case made of ice. Funny to say, right? But really, guys, so if you want to have this transparent case with the holes, yes. If you don't want to have it, you worry about some liquids or dust or any other stuff, you can just press these pieces inside, and here you go. And these pieces are actually transparent, right? And backside of the PCB consists of RGB elements, of backside of RGBs, right? So what I will show you, you will have a little bit shine through case at the end. Now, very quickly about PCB. I did print also advanced version of PCB, switch plate from polycarbonate, right? For better sound, I will show you later. Switches are TTC, same as coming with original ACE68. You can check my initial review of this keyboard if you want to check what switches are they, right? So basically, this is a new version of the case. Let me show you closer. So backside with this semi-transparent inserts, and also what is new, I am not using threaded inserts, so I don't need to press them into the plastic, right? I designed the stems just from the plastic. What is good, I don't need additionally to solder metal parts into the plastic case. What is not good, they're really fragile, so if you will screw too heavy or screws will be wrong, you will obviously destroy them. But also you can do this with original case, but obviously this case made from ABS, which is super strong, so it will be much harder to break these stems, which is in this case it's ASA material, right? And they're really fragile. But for one-time assembly or several-time assembly, very careful assembly, it works. So now let's do quick assemble of the keyboard, and let's apply obviously some keycaps.